Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to explore a fun and effective way to improve your English, learning English while exercising. You don't need to sit in a classroom or at a desk to practice English. Why not combine your learning with your workout routine? I'll show you how you can boost your language skills while staying active. Let's get started. One of the easiest ways to learn English while exercising is by listening to English podcasts or audiobooks. While you're jogging, lifting weights, or doing yoga, plug in your headphones and listen to content that interests you. You can choose topics like English learning podcasts, motivational talks, or audiobooks in English. Not only will you improve your listening skills, but you'll also learn new vocabulary while staying active. The best part? You can listen while doing almost any type of exercise. Another way to practice English while exercising is by repeating key phrases and sentences as you move. For example, if you're doing bodyweight exercises or stretches, try repeating simple sentences like, I am strong. I can do this. This workout is great. You can even count your repetitions in English. 1, 2, 3, 4. This helps reinforce your vocabulary and pronunciation while keeping your mind engaged as you work out. Many fitness apps are available in English, and they're a great way to practice while getting fit. Switch your workout app's language settings to English and follow along with the instructions. You'll learn new fitness-related vocabulary like stretch your arms, lift your knees, breathe deeply, hold for 10 seconds. Using exercise apps in English helps you get familiar with action verbs and instructions that you can use in everyday life as well. If you're working out at home or in a quiet space, you can use the time to practice speaking out loud. Describe what you're doing as you move. I'm doing push-ups. Now I'm going to do squats. I'm stretching my legs. This is a great way to get comfortable speaking English without feeling too much pressure. The more you practice, the more fluent you'll become. Plus, it's a great way to multitask during your workout. You can also use your workout as an opportunity to learn fitness-specific vocabulary in English. Here are some common words you might hear or use during a workout: squat, push-up, lunges, stretch, reps, repetitions, weights. You can label different exercises and equipment in your workout space to learn these words faster. For example, this is a dumbbell, or I'm doing 10 reps of squats. This way, you build your English vocabulary while focusing on your fitness goals. By combining exercise with language learning, you'll be able to improve your English skills while staying active and healthy. It's a fun and practical way to make learning English part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more creative ways to learn English. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing, stay active, and happy learning!